In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Epic Games account quickly and easily, whether you're using the Epic Games Launcher or a web browser. If you've forgotten the process or you just want a simple step-by-step guide, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. And before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and account tutorials just like this. First, open your Epic Games Launcher on your computer, or launch your preferred web browser if you want to log in through the website. Once you're there, head over to the Epic Games website and look for the Sign In option, which you'll usually find in the top right corner of the page. Click on that button to bring up the login screen. Now you'll need to enter the email address that you registered with on your Epic Games account. If you created your account using a password, type that password in carefully as well. If you linked your Epic Games account to another service like Google, PlayStation, Xbox, or another connected account, you can choose that associated sign-in method instead and follow the prompts for that login option. Take your time here and make sure every detail is correct, because even a small typo in your email or password can stop the login from working. Double check your credentials before you continue, and once everything looks right, go ahead and hit the login button. After a moment, Epic Games should verify your details and sign you into your account. If your login is successful, you'll be taken straight to your account dashboard or back into the launcher, depending on where you signed in. From there, you can access your library, manage your settings, or continue playing your games. If you run into any issues, make sure your email is correct, confirm your password is entered properly, and check whether you need to use a linked account instead. That's it. You've now learned how to log into your Epic Games account step by step. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.